What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on XLM because right now we are forming here another interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here and also about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Right now we are testing this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.4219 and 0.3927. And in case of a liquidity grab and then a support confirmation in this area, this can be an first interesting long opportunity. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so the stop loss will be around like 6 to 7% of a net market. And the last take profit targets, well, in my opinion, there will be a pump which will be close to that $1 mark, but this trade will give us risk reward ratio around 21.47, and in my opinion it's like pretty risky to aim for such a big profit like this. So with this trade, I think that the best trading scenario will be to place the last take profit targets above this last bearish order block, which is the last important resistance, which will give you risk reward ratio around 5.62. If you will take multiple take profit targets, which I think you definitely should, so some of the profits you will, for example, take under like this current high, this bearish order block, which is between level 0.495 and 0.482. Then under the second bearish order block, this is between level 0.556 and 0.529. And then you will save some back to a last take profit target. Then the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 4, which is in my opinion really great. The best setup that I am currently watching here will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. In this case, you want to place the stop loss under the low that or like under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And your last take profit targets you can place under $1 mark, which will give you risk reward ratio up to 13.68, which is again really amazing trading setup. In this case, you want to take again multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you will, for example, take under like this previous important highs. After this breakout, we will get almost into a price discovery phase, because last time we like tested these areas. This was like 1,400 approximately days ago, so this will give you really good opportunity for another pump, and once we will break the current all-time high, we will be completely in the price discovery phase. But again, on that 4-hour chart, you can trade here something like this, which will give you risk reward ratio up to 13.68. So then if you will take some of the profits under like 0.789 and you will save some back to a last take profit target, then the risk reward ratio is going to be like 9, which is in my opinion again really great trading setup. If you want to trade this setup on a daily time frame, you can, because we have here like very similar bullish and bearish order blocks. This bullish order block, again, you want to wait for that liquidity grab and then a support confirmation. Last take profit target needs to go above this bearish order block, and bearish order block on a daily time frame is slightly different, and it's between level 0.564 and 0.521. So again, if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, you can open here this long position with a stop loss under this bearish order block area and last take profit targets under that $1 mark. This trade will only give you a risk reward ratio up to 8, so with multiple take profit targets more like 6, which is still really great. But also keep in mind that opening this trade on a daily time frame is having much better probability of a potential success. And the same goes for like this lower bullish order block. If there will be a liquidity grab, you will place the stop loss under the low and last take profit targets above that bearish order block. It will give you risk reward ratio around 5, maybe probably like it will be around 5. So it's slightly worse, but still with multiple take profit targets, the trade is really good. And for most of the people, it's better to use a higher time frame, or like most people will be probably having higher probability of a successful trade on a higher time frame, because the formation and setups we are forming on the for example daily time frame are much important than some trading setups on the 4-hour chart. So yeah, just keep this in mind. As you probably know, the main price that I'm currently expecting that this coin is gonna hit is around $1 mark. Congratulations to everyone who took a long position after a breakout from this falling wedge. You should be in a profit right now around like 23%. But if you took most of the profits under this bearish order block right now, if there will be like a breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then so it means that there is pretty high probability that the price is gonna go down. You should close this position and wait for that potential liquidity grab, because yeah, this can give us, as I said, another amazing trade. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, don't forget to join my Discord training group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. A link to join is in the description or in the comments. The main price that this coin can actually hit in this bull market will be probably higher than a $1 mark. I think $1 mark we will probably hit in the couple of months. If there will be some huge pump like in this trading scenario, we can hit it in a couple of weeks, but I'm not expecting like such a big pump like this in the upcoming days. But yeah, in this bull market, I'm expecting something around like $1.1, $1.2 mark, which will give us from the current level still a potential pump around like 150 to like 180% of a net market. But me personally, I will be satisfied with that range close to that $1 mark, because it's not that smart to take your like last take profit target exactly on that $1 mark, but place it a little bit lower, so like 9.6, 9.7, 9.8, something like that. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching. If you want to know, as I said, about my exact trade or necessary links are in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.